Audi has revived one of its most extreme pre-war cars from the time when it was competing in a high-speed rivalry with Mercedes's Silver Arrows before speed limiters were introduced. The iconic Auto Union Luca Ren limousine, a streamlined V16-powered record breaker that achieved 203 miles per hour in 1935. The Luca combines unique aerodynamics with a supercharged V16 engine, setting a flying mile record on an Italian autostrada near Lucca in the hands of race driver Hans Stuck. Its enclosed wheels, tapered bodywork, and fighter plane-inspired appearance distinguished it as one of the most futuristic race cars of its era. The result is stunning, even compared to today's hypercars. The body looks like it was shaped by the wind, with covered wheels, a smooth cockpit, and a long tail that narrows into a sharp point. Most road cars did not fully use aerodynamic design until the 1980s, but in the 1930s, every small improvement mattered when trying to break speed records. The modern recreation was hand-built over more than 3 years by British specialists Crosthwaite and Gardner. It remains very close to the original car but uses a larger supercharged 6.0-liter V16 engine with more than 500 horsepower for better durability during demonstrations. Every part of the car was recreated using old photos, engineering records, and historical documents. More than just rebuilding a car, the project is part of Audi Tradition's larger mission to preserve and celebrate the engineering achievements of Auto Union's famous Silver Arrow era. The revived Luca will make its first public driving appearance at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in 2026, giving modern audiences a chance to experience one of the most advanced speed machines of the 1930s.